Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're going to talk about Finance and the recently new announcement that they just announced saying that they're getting listed on their tier 1 centralized exchange. So we're going to tell you what exchange they got listed on, and also just go over a couple of things about price and also some things that caught my attention during this process. So we're going to get into that. But before we do, man, make sure you like that video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. We got multiple videos on Mad Meerkat Finance, man, and a plethora of things. There's a lot of things on cryptocurrencies, how to make liquidity pools, how to get in on the ground floor of NFTs, and much more, man. So tap into that, tap into all the playlists, tap into the videos. Like I said, we're growing the channel. We're at 2.7K subscribers, and we see the growth since last year. So I just appreciate everybody for tuning in on all of my videos. Y'all are some real ones, man. So enough of the emotional stuff. Like I said, I appreciate y'all, but let's get straight into the business, man. Finance, what's going on? Let's tap into that price. All right, so right now I am on Dex Screener, and we can see the MMF and USDC pool as of right now. In the last 24 hours, we can see we are up 7%, but look at that price, man. The price is at 12 cents, and we I said that. I told you guys, I said we're gonna expect a crazy drop because first, we are in a bear market. And when you go to a major chain like Polygon, you gotta know those are major players and major whales in those type of ecosystems. So when you bring a new project to the ecosystem, of course the first day is gonna boom because all of that old money on the ecosystem is gonna dig in pretty much into these new projects, especially a project like Mad Meerkat Finance. And of course, if you are retail, if you did get in at the bottom, then you pretty much were a liquidity exit. And it's okay. I'm not saying that this project is going to zero, because we probably do see some bounce backs moving forward, especially when we get back in a bull market. But right now, not just being totally bearish, but right now, it's not looking too good just buying it at this price. I want to probably see it drop just a little bit more because we are still in a bear market, man. But like I said, we are at 12 cents. You can take it how you want with it. And once we go with MMF on the Chronos blockchain, we can see we are at 2 cents, down 6% on the day. So everything is just getting milked down to the bottom, milked all the way down to the bottom. And I think in the future, we will see some good buying opportunities, but right now I'm gonna just let the whales continue to milk the profit, and I don't want to be exit liquidity, man. So I'm just gonna hold off on market buying MMF. But like if you in pools, if you in stable coin pools, you're pretty much good because you're not losing your money. You're just getting your money from the distribution of MMF. So that's one of the strategies I probably would say. If you wanted just to get exposure to MMF, maybe the best way is to get it in the stable coin pool and start getting like that before just going straight in and market buying it. So something else I want to look at, man, is on DeFi Lump. We can see I'm currently on the Polygon network, and we can see it's $1.57 billion locked up on the Polygon network. And when we scroll down, we can see MMF is in third place as far as total value locked. Now we can see the 1 minute change is negative 65%, man. So not too good. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are taking their money off the platform. And like I said, this was expected if you know how DEXs work. Like, especially if it's a new DEX and it just came about on a popular chain that's already got billions of dollars on it. People are going to get in and get their money, take profits, and run with the profits. Because, nobody wants to be a bag holder, man. Nobody will, some people who retail investors, but the very savvy investors, the people who move the markets, they are not holding their bags, especially when we see price pump like that. You're gonna take some profits, if not all, in a bear market. So MMF has dropped out of the second place holding, but still in a good position on the Polygon network. Now once we go to Chronos, we can see MMF is also in the third position on Chronos as well, with $60 million total value locked. And that also continues to drop because, like I said, with these DEXs, man, we really don't have true utility just with the DEX, especially if the DEX is pretty much like a inflationary type of DEX where they're sending out all of these coins and they're paying people in these coins. But once that runs out, what is it? You know what I'm saying? So pay attention if you're invested in DEXs. Make sure the DEX is more than just a decentralized exchange, man. Make sure it has some upcoming products to offer more value to the user so people actually want to hold the token, because if it's just paying out, of course people are going to sell it and take profits, and it's just a part of it. That's how DEX has been going on since crypto started. So like I said, take heed, always know what you want to invest in, and always have a set profit or a set plan that you plan to take profit. So enough of that, man. I know y'all came for the good stuff. What centralized exchange is Mad Meerkat Finance being listed on? So let's get into it. MMF Poly will be listed on HUOBI Global. So listing on Tier 1 SEX is important because it directly exposes our token and ecosystem to more institutional and retail investors. This is just one of our major SEX listings. More coming up soon. Keep a lookout. So this is major. Like they said, it gives you more exposure to the ecosystem, and or not ecosystem, but exposure to retail investors and institutional investors as well. But at the same time, this creates crazy price action, my personal opinion. Now it is good because now people can go different places to buy, but at the same time it just opens it up to more exposure, especially in a bear market, man. So like I said, I want to see how this plays out. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. I do believe this is bullish because more exposure means more eyes on it, but I want to see how the price will react once, you know, people actually get on the exchange and start trading this cryptocurrency. But major centralized exchange listings are a big deal in crypto, so I'm not gonna just downplay that. But we don't know what turn is gonna take. You know, people might get on there and just start selling instantly, or people might get on there and just start buying. So it just depends, man. It just depends how you want to look at it. But me personally, I take it as a kind of a bullish move, but I'm waiting to buy MMF. And also, like I said, I'm pretty much just farming it, man. Farming it, getting those tokens. And right now I'm selling them off. I'm playing it smart. I'm selling them off. I still got a little bag of MMF, but I'm in the liquidity pools heavy, and my rewards, I'm pretty much just selling them. And then sometimes I might reinvest. Sometimes I might just keep it in stables. So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. Just wanted to bring you this exciting news about MMF being listed on a top tier 1 centralized exchange. So if I added value to you today, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'm out of here.